Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the delicious world of savory potato and eggplant lettuce wraps. Let's jump right in. Start by steaming the potatoes and eggplants until they are perfectly tender. Give your lettuce leaves a good wash. Next up, wash and slice a longhorn pepper. Grab your fully cooked sausage and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Don't forget to chop up some fresh cilantro. Now fire up a pan, add a splash of oil, and scramble those eggs until they're beautifully set. Introduce some soybean sauce and stir fry it with the sliced chili. Let's get meshing. First the potatoes, then the eggplants. Bring in the sausages, cilantro, scrambled eggs, and a sprinkle of peanuts. Give it all a good mix. Now, take those vibrant lettuce leaves and turn them into quick, convenient wraps for our flavorful filling. And there you have it. Our savory potato and eggplant lettuce wraps are ready to delight your taste buds. Give this recipe a go and drop me a comment on how it turned out. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.